Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. Today we are washing a 6x6 duvet in our washing machine. You start by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, and then you take your duvet by the corners, because that's how I recommend we put into the washing machine. Take it by the corners. As you can see, and then guys, I'm using the washing machine called Mika, and it is a 10 kg washing machine, so you can wash your 6x6 duvet in a 10 kg washing machine. And you put it the corners beginning, as you can see. This is how you place it into your machine. There it fits very properly. Let me show you this. Come closer guys and see how it fits. You see, there is my duvet, and you can see it fits very well into the 10 kg washing machine. This is a 6x6 duvet, and you see it leaves enough space, enough room for washing. That's how you place your duvet. And then let's put our powder washing soap. This is the powder washing soap that I'm going to use in washing this duvet. Let me show you. Yeah, there it is. Now you open the soap dish, or the soap, what do you call it? Open where you put this soap, and we are going to use 5 tablespoonfuls of washing powder. Of course, this spoon I've dedicated it solely for this purpose, so we're going to use 5. That is 1, and the second one. 5 is enough to wash the 6x6 duvet. This is the third one, and 2 more remaining. 4, and finally the last one. There you go. And I'm not putting my softener in this for now, but I'll come and put it later, only the soap. And then you close the soap dish. I will call it soap dish, but you know it. And then you cover the lid, and let's begin the washing. It still has the wrapper on it, because this machine is sometimes old. Now here is the control panel. You turn the machine on, and then you select the type of washing. For me, I'll do a heavy or strong washing because it's a 6x6 duvet. As you can see, I'll use the strong stroke heavy wash. You select it as that. You see, that is the strong and heavy wash. Then you come to the soak, wash and rinse procedure, and you select all of them: soak, rinse, wash and spin. As you can see, I've selected all of them. Then we move on to the number of times we want the machine to rinse our duvet. I'll do it only once because that is sufficient. Yeah, once, as you can see, just one time is enough. And then we come to, you can see it will take 64 minutes in cleaning this duvet, 64 minutes. Then we come over to the water level. For this duvet, because it goes up to the top, we'll have to use level 8 of the water level. So guys, you put the level 8 because this is a 6x6 duvet and it completely fits into the machine, and then you click start, and there we have our water coming in, as you can see. I hope you can see that the water is now coming in to start the washing. And let's leave it to wash for some time. Guys, I've come back after some time, and as you can see, the duvet is already soaked and washed for some few minutes. As you can see, it is well soaked. The water is up to the brim, and it has washed from 64 to 44. That means for 20 minutes, as you can see. So we shall leave it at that and then come and look at it later on. You can see the washing action of our machine. Our duvet is being cleaned. So let me leave it to wash and then we shall come back. And guys, I've come back after some time and it has completed washing. It is now spinning for the rinsing. It's now spinning for the rinsing. We call it the pre-rinse spin. So it is draining all the dirty water and it remains only 23 minutes. Drains all the dirty water before rinsing. And I want to place my softener, the fabric softener. So you pause the machine and then we shall put our softener. After pausing, here is my softener. As you can see, open the softener dish and let me show you. You measure the correct quantity of the softener. Let me show you how I put into the softener dish. Pour it into the softener dish. And then close it. Close the lid and press the start again button. And there our water is coming in for rinsing. We're just about to finish washing our duvet. It has already rinsed now and it's now spinning the duvet so that it can come out as dry as possible. So this is our spinning cycle. The machine is really spinning the duvet to get rid of the moisture. Our duvet is washed. That is the end of the washing and it is clean. Open the lid and there is our duvet, sparkling clean, as you can see, very clean. And by the way guys, it is really smelling nice because of the softener. I like the smell. There is our clean duvet. Thumbs up, thumbs up. It's very clean. So you can wash your 6x6 duvet in a 10 kg washing machine.